Walk to work. Triteus Holdings Private Limited. 3,250 acres of self-sustained industrial integrated park. The gateway of innovative India. 56 kilometers north of Bangalore. The Silicon Valley of India. Well connected to Highway NH7. Bengaluru International Airport at a distance of 20 kilometers. Chikkaballapur, surrounded by Nandi Hills. The popular weekend getaway. Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, the great engineer of repute, was born in Muddenahalli, 3 kilometers from Chikkaballapur. Chikkaballapur, the hub of educational institutions. New dawn on the horizon of Chikkaballapur with 3,250 acres of self-sustained industrial park, first of its kind, state-of-art green industrial park in India. Direct employment of 70,000 and indirect employment of 30,000 and indirect employment beneficiaries in the supply chain of about 1 lakh. 90% of the land that is utilized for industrial integrated park is completely dry and not suitable for cultivation. Only non-fertile, dry and hardened land is used with consent acquisition, keeping the interest of the farmers, and we make them grow with us. Every activity connected with the industrial integrated park is planned, keeping the interest of the farmers and ensuring that farmers also grow with us. We are committed to the society and upliftment of the area. We will employ at least one person from each landholder's family.
ಏನು ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲವರೆಗೂ ದುಡಿಬೇಕು. ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ದಿವಸ ಕೂಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, 4 ದಿವಸ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೊತ್ತು ನಡೀತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೊತ್ತು ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾವ್ರು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ. ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಮೀನುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೊಡೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಏನೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ 10-16 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಮೀನುಗಳು ಕೊಡೋದು ನಿಜ. ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಪೂರ್ವವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ನಾವು
ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೀರು ಬೀಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪಂಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 5, 8, 6, 7 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದು ತರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಡವರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೋ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗಾದರೂ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ.
ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈ ಮಳೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಬೆಳೆ, ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೋರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1000 ಅಡಿ 1100 ಅಡಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನೀರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಸಿಕ್ಕದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೊಸ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಜಮೀನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು.
Sector 1. SMEs Cluster. Extent of land 500 acres. MSME and other pollution potential units. SMEs play an important role in the economic and social development of the country. Sector 2. Electronics and hardware telecom-based industries. Extent of land 400 acres. To fuel the growth of the industry, increase competitiveness, help in creating a legal and ethical market and regulatory environment. Take the benefits of mobile connectivity to the mass of the country. Sector 3. Automobile engineering, automotive engineering, incorporating elements of mechanical, electrical, electronic software and safety engineering. Extent of land 750 acres. Sector 4. R&D Special Economic Zone. Extent of land 100 acres. Generation of additional economic activity. Promotion of investment from domestic and foreign services. exemption from customs or excise duties for development of SEZs. These SEZs will be one-stop solutions for high-tech facilities and will spur the growth of R&D in future technology. Sector 5. Ancillary Unit. Extent of land 100 acres. Increase in productivity of the small-scale units. Growth of low-cost economy through reduction in costs brought by appropriate technology followed by ancillary units. This program of ancillarization increase motivation of public and private sector units to offload production of components parts, sub-assemblies tools for both large as well as small industries. Sector 6. Ready-to-use, plug-and-play affordable facility for micro and SSIs on rental or lease. Extent of land 200 acres. These industries represent economic transition from traditional to modern technology. The development of small industries offers an easy and effective means of achieving broad-based ownership of industry. Sector 7. Logistics parks and its required infrastructure. Extent of land 100 acres. Strategic location with good road, rail and air connectivity. Large amount of warehousing space at a place. Integrated park management taking care of landscaping, security and waste management. Sector 8. Solar power, equipment manufacturing and R&D. Extent of land 100 acres. Given the spiraling oil prices and a finite supply of coal-based reserves, there is the need to harness indigenous renewable sources. And solar is emerging as a viable alternative. Sector 9. Dedicated captive power plant. Extent of land 100 acres. Availability of good quality and reliability, grid supply, low tariff. This captive power generation will be used for exclusive consumption. Sector 10. One of the major problems faced by the industries is environmental compliance. Management of pollution-related issues is not just a science, it's an art too. Further, the capex and opex needed for setting up of such pollution control systems is quite huge and could result in increasing the product price apart from the need to employ specialized people for managing it. In our park, there is going to be a common sewage treatment plant, effluent treatment plant, solid waste management facility and a hazardous waste management facility. The industries just need to plug their wastewater or sewage to the respective line and the rest is the responsibility of the integrated industrial park. The entire integrated industrial park will have red category approval from the Pollution Control Board and Ministry of Environment and Forests, and hence the industries do not need separate approvals, thus making it hassle-free. The entire wastewater, sewage will be treated to statutory standards and will be used for landscaping, recycling, etc. Extent of land 200 acres. Sector 11. Integrated Township. Extent of land 250 acres. Integrated Industrial Park. IIP has been incorporated with an objective to design, plan, market and develop necessary infrastructure, provide necessary services, operate and maintain the infrastructure. The project includes erection and completion of buildings and structures within the project site. The Integral Industrial Park is roughly going to have 1 lakh people, for which necessary infrastructure is required. Hence, we have envisaged 250 acres of integrated township having entertainment, educational facilities, hospitality, healthcare, leisure, etc., which will encourage walk-to-work culture and bring down the traffic congestion. Accommodation will be provided for various categories of the society, ranging from studio apartments, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, villas, etc. Sector 12. Green Belt. Extent of land 450 acres. Protect natural and semi-natural environment, improve air quality with urban areas, protect the unique character of rural communities that might otherwise be absorbed by expanding suburbs. Cleaner air and water, lessen the industrial pressure on Bangalore. Advantages of setting up a unit in our integrated industrial park instead of going in for a single unit complex. Saves 2 years of time. 30% savings on the capital cost. 5% saving in water supply and storage system. 5% saving in common area usage facilities. This integrated park offers a support advantage to corporates seeking a foothold in one of the world's biggest emerging markets. This futuristic IIP is built to international standard, supported by state-of-art infrastructure. This is one-stop solution, integrated office, production, commercial, residential and recreational need in a single location. Walk to work. Triteus Holdings Private Limited.